mail call. This is one from a brand new company. Well, fairly new company, brand new tool. I literally haven't touched this yet. But IQ Vise. And if I was smart, I think IQ stands for intelligence quotient, but I can't spell quotient, so I'm not sure. But
so you're saying it's smart?
It's a lot of things are smarter than I am.
Of course, we haven't really looked at this yet.
Nope, wait, I don't even know how to get it out of the box. Okay, here we go. We're making progress. All right, so here's the main. Oh, sure, zip ties. Don't try this at home, kids. Always make sure that the tip of the blade is pointed up toward your face. That's solid advice anywhere. Okay, so this is designed to screw to or bolt through your bench top, but we're just going to clamp it down.
And if you didn't want to bolt it, you can
clamp it. That's why it has the little grippy spots.
No, I really want to get this down. I don't know what you're playing in here, Dave.
If I had a plan, I would let you know. How many years you known me? You ever seen me with a plan? Okay, let's see. How does it work? There we go. All right, so I have 3 freed up, the little articulating ball. And depending on where you put it, I think this will lock it straight up. This lets it float free so that you can, it's got a little handle down here that you can't see, but so you can put it to
any position really that you want.
Yep. Locks that way. So you can put it to whatever position you want, including laying it down completely horizontal, and I don't have that tightened very well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you can have it so it's locked or straight up or free floating. I think you can lock it vertical, lock it horizontal, or free floating. There you go. And what's interesting with this, from what I've seen so far, yes, I can work it. I really can. Is that there's a ton of different accessories.
Yeah, well, let's start off with this right here.
Okay.
So you got some kind of rubberized jaws that drop in. You've got for holding pipe or metal bar horizontally, vertically, and it looks like even at probably not a 45, but an angle there for some reason. And then it's got this, they can flip them around, and you've got kind of a soft face.
Yep.
So I think there's some pins that metal pins that just slide in here and lock that in.
Another zip tie.
So it's already, these are some sort of a composite material, but.
Yeah, and those are replaceable. I see Allen bolts there. Yep. Hex bolts for you people that don't know Allen.
And monster jaws.
Monster jaws, so rubber face and then a soft foam padded face. Nice, you can get a lot of squish in there.
Yep.
So we got those 2 sets of jaws. Let's see what else we have. I don't even know. Here, what's that?
Magnet. No, this is the other product we're talking about, the Connect.
Yes. So let's hear. See if you can bust this thing open.
We've got to figure out the rest of that system there.
But I'll work on cutting myself the utility knife over here.
Is this all of the Vise?
This is so. I think this is the main product, and then each of these sell as separate accessories. I don't know if there's a big everything pack or not. These folks just introduced themselves to us, and it's like, yeah, we want to take a look.
So you guys met them at the IWF? Is that what?
No. Actually, we'll be heading to IWF in a couple months here, International Woodworking Fair in Atlanta, and hopefully we'll find some
more
nice,
information,
cool stuff to bring back. So let's turn it this way, and then the camera can see it.
This all sells for $19.95, right?
Yeah. So pipe jaws with soft sides. I can't tell you pricing. Sorry. Again, I have it just as brand new to me. But so yeah, serrated jaws for pipe.
So if you're worried about these pipes, these jaws coming off, they do give you these pens that actually have a little indent ball that actually it snaps into place, which is kind of slick, so you're not having to screw anything in there.
Yep. Well, and again, so if you want to go horizontal, the jaws don't come off.
You know, Dave, you could hold your bike with this.
I could.
Flip it around, hold it with the soft jaws. You're in business.
So these are smaller jaws, like the monster jaws. Oh, and these have leather. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, so this IQ thing.
Is there more to that?
There is. But wait, there's more. Let me get rid of some packaging here. I sure hope we don't ever have to put this all back. All right, so this is, this is their IQ Connect hands-free accessory system. Let's see what this does. I think this is, you know, when you decide to stop working for Wood Magazine and you become a social media influencer.
This is what you need right here.
This is what you need. I mean,
social media influencer kit.
You young handsome guys have a shot at this. You know, I'm not that young anymore. All right, so speaking of not that young anymore.
Wait a minute. Yeah, so it comes with, looks like a nice little LED
lamp,
which I'm guessing this thing can go out and you can carry this around in your pocket. It's got a belt clip on it.
Cool. There you go.
Oh, it comes equipped. It comes equipped.
It's ready to shine in your eyes. So you can look, see?
Oh, flashlight too.
This is like the old guy special.
Oh,
yeah.
Well,
you hook up the flashlight and the magnifier.
We really have to emphasize.
I can do things.
We have to emphasize the social media part of this here, Dave.
Yep.
So you got your phone right there.
Okay. Yep. Oh wait. Okay. Hang on.
You need the light.
Hi everybody. Welcome to our channel. Today we want to tell you about.
Wait.
You can find a link in bio below. How's that? Did I sound like an influencer?
Oh wait. Yeah, you work on that.
Kevin, before we close.
There you go.
All right, there we go. Influencer. Boom. I got this
You're
down.
done.
I am on it. But yeah,
I think this is a pretty handy little thing with
and
this light.
It even has little, so you can do like a wall mount or a permanent bench mount if you want to.
Or magnet mount.
Even comes with screws, a magnetic mount. It's got a USB cable, so you can USB things.
In all seriousness.
No, this is,
I would say if you're into carving, scroll saw.
Yep.
Intarsia work where you're really trying to get down on that stuff. You can really light your work surface up. This nice magnifying glass that even has a spot.
Yep. No, that's cool.
That you can really see how bad you're doing.
But, you know, even for doing handwork, I mean, like if you're cutting tenons or, you know, chopping out mortises or anything like that. I mean, wow. That's actually, I can see.
And then you can film yourself while you're doing it.
Uh-huh. Yep.
I mean, this is, it's got it all.
This way you can prove that you actually built this.
I'm kind of wondering if I can mount this to the dash of my van, and then I can use this as a hands-free device in my van.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Or
might be time to go.
Yeah. No, this looks pretty cool, and this sucker is beefy. Yeah, I'm anxious to really give it a full run.
Yeah.
But a lot of cool accessories. This is slick. Well, the nice thing too is that with the magnet, you know, you could put this on your drill press or your miter saw stand or whatever, and have the light or the magnifier. I mean, because I don't know how you're doing, but man, those crosshairs on.
I will tell you, this is probably not really all designed just for woodworkers too, because I mean, it could be a metal worker or his bench is a metal bench.
Well, yeah, with all the different jaws, clearly it's got a lot going on. Yeah, this was. I don't think this is this is something that was, you know, just designed for the woodworker crowd. Not everybody's just a weird woodworker like us.
No, very cool.
Yeah, there you go.